Another day at the RV paint department. Coming in, going to show you RV door skin repairs. So on jobs like these, what happens when you sideswipe a bunch of compartment doors, you know what we'll do is we'll remove the whole skin, have it remanufactured, have a here in the house, we'll have them repair, remove the skin, replace it, and then you end up with a nice skin. We don't like to repair them too often unless it's a small ding or a small scrape. If it hits the lower part of the door, it's hard to make it look original again. So we just go with a new skin, which is not too expensive. After that, what we do is we put a type of corrosion protection called etching primer. It keeps from electrolysis happening and bubbling up the paint, so that we'll repaint it again and have it done. But this is the good quality that you're looking at when you come to RV paint department here in Fontana. The quality jobs we do here. First thing, you go to another place and you end up with no door skins, but then a year later your paint's bubbling up and people wonder why. The problem is that a lot of these guys have not been technically trained. You know, they're not working on metals. Yeah, they might know fiberglass, but when you work with metal, you always have to put a corrosion protection. That's just the guidelines. You know, I went to college, studied all this stuff, and this is what was taught to us in our paint classes, metal classes, was that always with corrosion. I didn't know that I'd be using it later on in life, but when I started working on these RVs, and I would see all these doors bubbling up, and the customer would want to get them repainted. And the cause of the problem was that a lot of these door skins were either sheet metal or aluminum. You get rust under there because what happens, a lot of the RV repair shops were not putting, they would put a primer, but you got to know the difference between a corrosion protection. So there's another process that has to be done that seals the metal so that moisture will seep through the paint or the primer and still cause rust. So we prevent that by putting a corrosion protection on the metal before going into paint. Thank you for watching.